Last and final launch of the day. This is the Amazon rocket launch number 2. We have changed out the personnel inside. We now have a load commander that is a mutant guinea pig, and the commander and launch chief is a desert rat. So we are hoping that is very old, but very experienced. So we are hoping that the two of them together will make quite a pair for this launch.
20 seconds of counting.
20 seconds to launch.
Note that this is his 50th launch.
This will make him a Gold Star commander.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. I got it.
Yeah, I see it too. Brandon, I was going to say it didn't come out. There it goes.
The second to come out, it leaves a smoke stream. There it goes!
That one is coming down beautifully. That one is coming down just as we designed it to. Right out in the middle of the field, it looks like.
Well, you made the field. Look at that.
What a successful launch.
Well, this concludes our program.
We are going to get an interview with Brandon. And while we're awaiting that, we'll get an interview with Zach. Zach, what did you think of the launches today?
To be honest, I thought they were going to die, but still. You know, those guys are brave. They're brave animals.
God bless America. Okay, let's talk to Brandon. Let's get his feelings on his launches today. The last one being a spectacular launch and landing. Brandon, how do you feel about these launches?
You forgot to remind me to take the wind flag off, so the thing broke.
That's not good. It was still an incredible launch.
Yes, it was.
Okay. Now we will take still pictures of the launch team.